I just wanted to share a thought about getting results. Like if there have been a few clients who got back to me about results, or we're talking about them and it seems not to be what they expected.
Yep.
I found also that when I was talking to them, they are always considering their current status quo. So the moment I start talking to them from where they came from and when they're where they are right now, it's like they almost haven't made the connection yet that
Yes.
they have undergone this whole change yet.
Yes.
So when I was feeding it back to them that they actually did, they like had
It
these aha
clicks.
moments back then.
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
sometimes what a second session is. That's what I talk about logic. Sometimes your clients are so busy trying to find the result they want when this incredible thing that's so much better sitting right in front of them. That's very typical. So if a client ever wants to catch up, that's usually it. You have that logical thing where they say, I can't even really give an example, but you can see they've dismissed this incredible thing to go looking for this one little thing that would have meant nothing to them anyway. So a logical chat of, this is where you were, this is where you are now. Okay, think about it. You're here now. Look at all these incredible things. And they go, huh, I've been living like this for 3 weeks. It's been here all along. Perfect. So that could be a quote unquote second session. Logic goes a long way. What you don't want to do is go, there's a knot I missed out. Instantly, it has to be hypnosis. Look at it logically first. Always exhaust logic. Make sense? Monique,